Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Julia. So welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video guys, I just want to do makeup. You want to know what I used today and how I put this look together. I just want you to keep watching. While you are there guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram guys. I will see you on the other side. Try. Okay guys, come on, let's do makeup. So first thing first, I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrow. This is from our collection, from our brand of course. I take number 1, which is a soft brown. I will use this one first, then I will just brush it. Then I'll take another shade which is 5. This is medium brown. Use this one to kind of darken it, because soft brown is lighter than medium brown. I'll just clean my eyebrow. I've done one off camera. I'm just doing the other one now on camera, just cleaning like I usually do. What I used to clean my eyebrow today is the new eyeshadow base from Revolution. The same, the leftover from me, I just put it on my eyelid. The palette I'm using is from a brand called Aflano. On my recent video, I reviewed this palette. So I went in with that dark blue shade. Just, apply that my outer V. Then I move on with a different blue shade, which is lighter than the one I previously used. Then another light blue shade. All I want to do today is just blue, matte blue. Then this one is extremely light. I will use this shade to blend my brow bone area. Blend and blend and blend. Until now, I have not blended anything. I'm just, packing it in, just dab, dab, dab. Now I'm just blending. So once I finish this part, I will use the previous shade I started with earlier on, the darkest blue, blend everything together. Now I'm using duo glue. I have done the other eye as well. Just apply a tiny little bit of glue. Then I will use that crystal from Amazon. Yeah, I'm just applying the crystal now, guys. I'm gonna do my foundation. I'm using SS Revolution. I have a bit of foundation on before, but I just went straight to work and came back, just start doing my makeup. So I just apply a bit on top of it. The primer I used today is from W7. That was off camera before I went out. So I'm just tidying up basically my base now. Revolution, SS Revolution concealer I'm using, shade C 10.5. I will just blend everything together now, like I usually do. And the brush I'm using, you are familiar with this brush. I use this brush for concealer all the time. I will blend under my eye. I hope you're doing well, guys. What have you guys been up to? So I will take the previous brush I used for my foundation to blend, between foundation and concealer, because I don't want a line in between. This is how I do my base. The Juvia's Place concealer, this is shade 5. I use this shade to do my contour. I don't need much, just a tiny little bit, because I don't want a big harsh line, because I'm gonna use a face palette shortly. So I will just blend and blend my forehead as well. I will do the other side, the leftover from the brush. My daughter is making me laugh, so I'll do the other side. the leftover from the brush, I will use it for my nose contour ish. That's exactly what I'm doing now. There is no excess product, but just the leftover from the brush. So once this is done, I will use a Maybelline setting powder to set everywhere I have highlighted. I have not been using this powder lately, but I just thought, you know, I'll use it today. It's so good. It's one of those products when it finish, I'll rebuy this setting powder. Although I don't see much people using it, but I like it. I really like it. So I'll just set everywhere I have highlighted like I mentioned before. Once I've done that, I will just take a face powder. Before face powder, I want to do a reverse contour. I'm still using the same setting powder to do a reverse contour. Again, this setting powder doesn't leave a harsh line. That's why I like it. That's the reason I keep buying it anyway. Some setting powder will leave me a big harsh line, but this one, nope. And no flashback as well. I will use a face powder from Revolution to dust everything together, basically under my eye. Then I'll use this face palette from Revolution S Tammy face palette. I mix those two shades together to bronze and contour. Then I use the blush shade to blush, basically. Then I will use the highlight shade to highlight, you know, all in one, instead of, you know, using different stuff all in one. This face palette is £10. It's available Revolution website and Superdrug. SS Revolution setting spray matte. Eyeliner from MINK Beauty J. Use our brand. No makeup, no game eyeliner I'm using. This one is Rimmel eyeliner for my waterline. Once my waterline is done, you know the drill. I just did my bottom lash off camera. I used the same shade I used for my eyelid. Then the same thing I did for my eyelid, the crystal, I'm just applying it now. Then I use this mascara from W7. This liquid lipstick is from Revolution Pro. I use the dark shade. Then I use the lighter version of it, just to give it some definition, basically. That's all I did. Yeah, just mash it up, mash it together, Julia, come on. Lashes I'm using Style Mia from our collection. They are all available on our website, makeupitime.com. So this is not the final look, guys. What do you think? Let me zoom you in. Guys, I love this look. I want you to leave your comment below and what you think. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye. I hope to see you guys on my very next video.